Okay, my bad, boys. I'm back. That was a small interruption. We're good. I just shitted. Market did not open yet. I would say we are in business, aren't we? I think we are, bro. Okay. So right now we are holding two 5-minute MVGs. We're still holding between them, so we are pretty much accumulating. Let me check on the 50-minute. I do like the 50-minute to look if we're distributing, accumulating, or just manipulating. I feel like the 50 minutes is like the perfect time frame to see what's actually going on in the market between the highest time frame and the smaller time frames. Uh, so whenever I'm in the 1 hour, I'll go straight to the 15 because it's like the perfect middleman, right? Even for like 50-minute PO3s and shit like that, it's one of the best. It's one of my favorite time frame. Whenever I started trading, I used to only stick to the 50-minute. I did pretty well for a while. Like I got funded and shit like that. But then afterwards, like I went for like a 2 months, 2 months straight losses, blew my account, fucked my mental up, and I was like, oh. And then that was the moment I found PB trading. Then I found Ronan. Ronan is the fucking goat. And then I found my boy Becker, who helps me a lot with trading and shit. He's the definition of a goal, bro. That guy's 19 years old, but he's already getting payouts where he has like multiple funding account, XFAs and shit like that. He's the definition of a future goal, bro. I've told him that in the group he's gonna be the first like five figure trader for sure. He's a goat, bro. My man's. But we're gonna get there as well, bro. Maybe trading will take a little bit longer for me. I think I'm locked in on trading, but I don't have the same amount of times that as other people. Since I have a business on the side, I have to code some shit. I have two jobs as well. Um, but what's important is what I really want to make this work first, and then second, I am putting the time inside. So, and third, I am doing everything in the correct way. So I journal. I journal. I recap my trades. Actually, did I did not. Yeah, I did check my recap of yesterday's. I started posting my trade as well on social media. On if you guys want to see my IG, IG would be this one. That one. Can you guys see GOLADZztreams? I want y'all can tap in if you want. I only posted like two trades for the moment, but yeah. And so it helps me like to recap in my head what I did wrong last time. And so like I'm more of a visual person, so if I can skip the part where I have to read and just like see visually and talk about it visually, I'm doing a lot more better like that. So what the fuck is happening with the yo? We are arranging. It looks like a freaking barcode, bro. God damn. So we are really be. So we are really holding these two gaps, huh? That's 920. 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes before market opens. What do I have to do today as well? I hope my agenda is not gonna pop out over there. Bet. That I need to find a moment. It will be after Friday, so I might have to do it Saturday. I need to go to Montreal to give a USB to somebody. I did legs yesterday. I'm not really sore from my legs, bro. Fuck. I'm such a bitch, bro. I need to push it even further. What? What? Yo, pause, bruh. What the fuck? I need to push them. That's funny. Okay. Oh God, I wish I had more coffee, but that is not the case, bro. So we're gonna just sip water. I'd be happy with that. Now I might go get a little bit more coffee before we start. So we are. The thing is, it's not 9:30 manipulation, which is what I want to see. Let me put ES on the 5 minute just to see what ES does. ES is not being held by the 5 minute. By any 5 minute, we're not being held. Huh. That's something. We are being held by 15 though. I have a 15 on the upside. Oh, I didn't see that 15, bro. Oh my God. Okay. I really need to be careful with my eyes. My eyes! My eyes! Okay, so we have a 5 minute and a 15 minutes. Between a 15-minute between a bearish 15-minute and a bullish 5 minute. So NQ looks like it's gonna inverse before. If it inverse, it could actually be a good thing, bro. So at 9:30, let's see in 5 more minutes what we're gonna do. But if we can inverse at 15, well, if we don't inverse it, that means that's probably manipulation from the Look at all of these London highs. Here we go, bang, bang, bang. Might be a manipulation. In any case, let's wait for 5:30. Let me just get some more coffee, boys. It will not be too long. Sorry, boys. Are we open yet? No, in 2 minutes we're open. Okay, cool. So what just happened? Let me go check. Okay. Do we? Looks like we're gonna inverse at 50 minutes. So it might turn out to be bullish, boys. Which is pretty cool because whenever you inverse at 50 minutes, there's a strong possibility for you to be bullish. But I mean, we will have to be careful. Are we opening any 5 minutes? No, we're not. We do have an order block here. No wick. Okay. There's that. No, we did retreat back into it. So that was only a manipulation, and that's what you're telling me? That's why it's so important to set condition, boys. But ES did not inverse that. It's not inversing that 15 minute though. What's up, key quarter? Meow. Meow. Little fucker. Ozzy Osbourne. Her name is Ozzy. Call her Ozzy Osbourne. Okay, right now, so we are accumulating right now. We are accumulating again. The key market just opened, as we can see. It's getting a little bit noisy. What's good, homie? Ow. Don't bite my finger, bro. Come on, man. What did I do to you, bro? Yes, right now. It's going up for no reason. Ooh la la. What the fuck, bro? Do we have any news today? No, we don't have no news. Probably just manipulating these highs. Holy fuck. What the hell? Did we open in 5 minutes? Are we opening in 5 minutes? We'll see. We will see. 5 minutes is my condition, and then my inverse would be 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Oh, we did open a 15 minute here though. There we go. Just inverse that 15. We are retracing inside of that 1 hour, some manipulation. So we did manipulate off these lows, all these highs, I mean, inside of the 1 hour. EQ of the 1 hour. Okay, no time. No, we got some change. No change. No, Z, no. I don't have time. I'm guessing that we might take a continuation trade until that 2 and 4 hour. We did inverse at 15, so why would we keep going down? Plus, we do have a lot of I would love to see us pull back inside of that 15. Okay, Ozzy, alright, bro. Please stop. Please stop it. If we can then pull back here, manipulate these two lows, and then just shoot up, that could be pretty cool. Have an inversion here. Five minutes is I'll try. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see yesterday. I've seen some things, and I am going to try to not get 5-minute inverse, but 5-minute confirmation. A 5-minute is gonna be my condition, and I'm gonna take only 1 to 4 minute inverse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and not 5. Because 5 minutes I usually get, well, I do pretty good, but 5 minutes I do get smoked sometimes. So that is a 9:30 open. It's a 9:30 open high. Oh shit. Okay, so we wicked it. We wicked the premium of the 1 hour. Yeah, okay. I think we're going down, boys. Maybe I could have entered right here. Fuck. Could I have entered here? No, exactly. The highest time frame did not close yet. So the highest time frame will be the 2 minute. We gotta wait. Plus it fits with the trend as well. There's no 4 minute, right? No. Okay, so the highest time frame is the 2 minute. We have high resistance highs right here. We did pull back in the 15, huh? Yeah, we did. Well, no, it didn't. I'm so stupid. We just did not create any 15 minutes for us to pull back inside. In 5 minutes, we did not even pull back inside of any 5 minutes. So right now, it's just pretty much irrelevant. Or something that you keep like here, but we did not invert the highest time frame. You see, that saved me a loss. Holy fuck. Yo, we're getting better and better every day, bro. Every day we're getting better, bro. On ES is inversing though. ES is inversing the one. ES did inverse the 2 minutes. But then yeah, okay. I think we're gonna go for the one in the 2 hour. It looks like price really is seeking that part of the market. We inverse on the 1 minute here. And we did retrace. So honestly, it's a pretty good model. I would have, oh no, my bad. Not here. Clearly not. But I would have entered here. Whoa. That's pretty fucking long. But I would feel confident for 1-2-1 or continuation trade 1-2-1. The only thing is I would have went break even here. Because ES did close. If I could target, what could I target though? 50 million unmitigated gap here. Could have targeted that. Oh, we're at 0.75. That is no good. Why is my 121 then? No, I'm really confident that price wants to go here. I'm really confident. There's another 15 here. We could target that one. Or 1.32. I can recoup my stop loss. Let me put a break even here. I'm putting it here just so it's a little bit easier to regain my stop loss, but we'll counter that as break even. What should I have done better? I might have fumbled. Did I fucked up it somewhere? I'm not sure if I fucked up. I did that, huh? So we would have went break even on that trade. Cool. Failed to reach those highs. The area that I did, we did sweep these lows, but we have these lows over here. We are opening 5 minutes. No, we did not. Pretty much only wicked it. 15. We are rejecting that. 15 minute. We are pretty much rejecting it. I would love to go to premium though. No inverse in the 15-2. As you guys can see, I'm not a pro, right? I can say whatever I see and whatever I learn, but I'm not a pro yet. So, but I mean, if I can protect my ass with break evens, I don't consider that a loss. I should have entered here because these are more protected highs than these ones. So if I would have entered here, and let's say enter a short, which I wanted to, I just didn't see nothing. I'm gonna put my stop loss here. I take profit here. That would be a perfect 1-to-1, right? Yeah, 1-to-32. That would have been a good trade. I feel like that would have been a better trade than what I took, because there's also low resistance equity here, which is there's even more chance for us to get hit for stop loss here. Well, my previous stop loss, which was here. I did not pay any attention to that one. But if I would have taken that trade, if I would have been patience, I need to build my patience. I need to build my patience. When they played all these highs, went to EQ the leg, to EQ the 1 hour. first trade break even. Could have entered here at the moment that I've seen the inverse. Here we go. It is the highest time frame inversion, yeah. Plus, what is so cool about that, we have an SMT, looks like. Bro, why am I not seeing? Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, we have an SMT. Fuck. We have an SMT even here. So price was really weak. These highs, right? Yeah. These highs. Here we go. SMT bang. Gonna try, take it for sure. For sure. Big boy. Big boy. Barbies. Yeah, yo, ES is distributing, bro. Plus, that trade is really strong because it fits with a trend. We rejected the EQ over 1 hour, which we accumulated down below at first. Then we created a high resistance high because we just sweep previous high without leaving low resistance behind, which is that high over here. So it's a high resistance high, and so which makes these lows unprotected. And clearly even less protected only because there is a low resistance liquidity lying below. It's my analyze, but we'll see. For the moment, we'll see. I would have taken that trade for eval. I would clearly have taken that trade for eval. Bruh, if we're going to stop loss now, bro. If I would have put it like 1 to 1. Yeah, I would have hit 1 to 1. Oh, where's that 1 minute 2? Ozzy Osbourne, leave me alone. In any case, I put my shit right here. 135. Are we rejecting 5 minutes? No, we're just rejecting these highs. Move my take profit, maybe set these highs equal lows here. We're still at 1.18. Don't do me like that, homie. Don't do me like that, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Meow. Meow. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So first thing that I could have done better. First of all, more patient. But the first break-even trade, I'm not that mad. The only thing is, more patient led me to a first trade BE. Why? Because I did not see L or L resting below my stop loss, and it did not fit with the trend. It did not fit with the trend, which was bearish. Now, I did wanted to see my draw of liquidity of that 4 hour. Looks like we just took that 1 hour. Was alright. Second trade. 939. Not bad, bro. 939's 940. No, okay. I should have entered at 940 then. Okay. Let's see why. Why 940? Because 940, the new 5 minutes opening. But if you trade at, like, let's say 939, the 5 minute that you're currently trading in is gonna close. But if you trade at 940, it's a new 5 minute, and the 15 minute is still active as well. The 15. But perfect EP at these equal lows. Yeah, would have been that. Is pretty fucking good, my boy. Pretty good, my boy. 133. I was targeting a 15 minute unmitigated 15 right here. Yo, am I retarded? That's my okay. That's just my first trade. Where's my second one? What the fuck? What the freaking fuck? Okay. Okay. Let me just write down. Oh yeah. Let me just go check with my 15 minute. Here we go. I was targeting that shit. Here we go. My first. Yo, why is my first trade not showing, bro? Like, what the fuck? It's showing over here, so why is it not showing over there? I was targeting nothing, absolutely nothing. Okay. Looked at my charts. Oh, there it is. Holy fuck. Yeah, okay, I was targeting at 15. That's what I thought, bro. That's what I thought. I was like, what the fuck? I was not tripping. Okay, good. We go targeting at 15. We did catch the good distribution phase, so shout out to us. Okay, So first trade went BE over here at these highs over here. Yo, hold on. Let me change that color for black, bro. There we go. First trade went BE at these highs over here. So bang, break even on the first trade. Second trade fucking hit right here. We hit right here. I moved my stop loss from my take profit from here to here. And if these lows were not predicted no more, so it was valid, but I would have done exactly the same on oh yeah, another thing that I wanted to write. I really want to stick to 1-to-1 and only 1-to-1s, even though like I'm not targeting like a specific low. Like if that low is at like 1 and 39, I will still hit a 1-to-1 just because I have more chance of hitting it, right? So just like BB says, you only want a piece of the pie, you don't want all of the pie, right? So like trading, you're dealing with your own money, right? So be smart with it, bro. Would you be fucking salty if you missed your TP and then go straight to your stop loss for like one tick? Yes, you would, right? So just target it 1-to-1 and then you should be alright. Oh, fuck, I love coffee, bro. Okay, so second trade. Was my brother's birthday yesterday. He just sent me like a random text, like a random phone number. I was like, what? And it was at 1 hour and 47. I was like, what the fuck? Of course I didn't went out, bro. No sleep for us, bro. No fun for us, bro. If you want to make it, you need to make some sacrifice, bro. And so I'll go out once I will have money to go out, alright? Alright. Just responded. He said, yo, I don't know what I sent. What the fuck, suis quoi? Huh? Yo, I'm lost, bro. What the fuck? Okay, so let's keep ourselves accountable, right? I'll enter here. Okay. So what was it? I'm more patient maybe to a first trade. BEY because I did not see L or L resting below my stop loss and I did not fit with the trend, which was clearly bearish. I was looking for price to get back to get back to a premium gap in the 4-hour lag, which did not retrace. Let's open this maybe at 10 a.m. PO3. Here we go. Question mark. Here we go. Then I took a short on the 1 minute inverse. SMTs at the highs with ES. SMTs with ES manipulated at the highs and rejected a 1-hour EQ. Oh, or EQ targeting the lows for at first a 1 was it 1 to 35? Oh, sorry about that, boys. I don't know if you still see my screen. I don't, bro. Okay, thank you. Oh, I hate it when that happens, bro. I need to just replace all of my fucking windows. Fuck you. Oh, come on, man. What's my other one, bro? Looks a little better. 1 to, was it 1 to 35? At first it was, yeah, it was. So at first 1 to at 35, but then retrace my TP to nearby equal lows, to nearby equal lows for a one 18. Yo. And TP catch a I think that trade was pretty solid, boys. Even have the SMT at this failed swing here. The ES rejected anything. Yeah, ES, they rejected that 1-hour EQ as well, which we did. Was also the first fair value gap. The first fair value gap was the leg. It was just not the first fair value gap, but the leg for NQ. Was it? No, exactly. For NQ was this one. But ES rejected the first. Okay, I got this one. We inverse as well, but immediately rejected that one. Okay, cool. I think it was a solid trade, boys. I really do. I really do. Check the 4-hour open. We just created a new 4-hour with that 4-hour. So we might have to rebalance that range here. Yo, I'm fucking with my trade, bro. I'm fucking with it, bro. Even the both of them, bro. Fucking with them, bro. Pretty good shit. I'll tell you that. Yeah, so yeah, okay, cool. So, yeah, I changed my stuff also here. Oh, the only thing I would change, I should have entered at 9:50. Was it 9:50? I think it was. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you, bro. Ah. No, not bad. That's fine. The fuck is happening, bro? The fuck is my shit? Thank you. What the heck? I entered at what? 9:35, 9:39. Okay. At 9:40, but I entered at 9:39. I do like to have that EQ range here, that gap. It's cool. Really good trade overall. Really, really good trade. Yo, I do like writing my way of thinking on the side. Right now, my trade is making more sense in my head. Good shit, Godfroy. Good shit. Let me go check on the Discord to see what the boys were all about. Ooh. He took the Simon versus me on the first trade, but then no, what? He took that one? Why did you take that one? I took the long here. Okay, yo, poor guy. Oh, poor guy. Didn't check his confidence right, but not mad about that. Not mad. Yeah, okay. Good trade. I think it was pretty fucking solid, bro. Pretty fucking solid. Yeah, you should have waited for this top hunt, but that was his top hunt. Yup, you're. Let me send my trade over to the boys so maybe they could see. Here we go. We did hit it. We did not win break even because it was not necessary. I like to go break even whenever there's a high before my TP. So whatever, like if we close over that gap, I'll go break even, just like here. That's why I went break even here, because there was that high before my TP here, so I went break even at that point. That's how I use break even, like more to protect myself if like my targets are a little bit higher, and so I could take like more riskier trades, but at the same time like protecting myself. Okay, so other people just waited for that one to get it first. Well, I do like that one. We that's the one that created the SMT plus. We rejected the 1 hour equilibrium. Um, fit with the trend. 1 minute inverse. We'll see what the boys are saying. The only error, yeah, we only enter at 9:39. Check for the 4 hour. For the 5 minute? Which 5 minute are you talking about? There's no 5 minute at the moment. fuck are you saying, bro? That 5 minute? We didn't make. Oh, we didn't make equal those. Well, in any case, I'm out for the day. In any case, we're out. Good shit today, boys. Really, really good shit. Now we're gonna hit some fucking. Yeah, we have LRL above. Yep. Yeah, we have shitload of LRL here. But that 5 minute. We have LRL here, LRL here. Yeah. I'm happy with the trade I took. No problem. Against bias is what I don't like exactly. Smart man, smart man. You broke my heart. I'm getting hungry, bro. It's about my time to eat as well. Yeah, it's 10:26. I always eat at 10:30, so my stomach starts to get hungry whenever we're going towards 10:30. Let me just first of all be disciplined and take the pictures that I need. Here we go. And that picture is gonna go here. 5 minutes then. Mm-hmm. 15. Mm-hmm. 1 hour. And then 4 hour, just for the complete overlook at the market. There we go. Got all my pictures here. Perfect. So that one would be my 1 minute. That one will be my 5 minute. That one would be my 15. 1 hour. 4 hour. Whoa. God damn. Woohoo! Perfect. Here we go. So all of these, I can select all of these. Tuesday the 3rd. Yep. Let's go in my trade shots over here. Fuck no. I didn't want to put them here, bro. Fuck you, bro. There we go. All of them here. There you go. Okay, cool. Perfect. Let's go on Notion to then I'll make my video for my socials. Can post a win and a break even, which is cool. Yeah, I made a huge fart, bro. Notion. Notion live journal. Bankrolly. So on the what do you want, bro? Thank you. Live journal, new journal. So it was first the RR. Well, the break even, I'm not gonna write it. I think don't want it. Fuck it. RR 1.33. P&L. P&L, no P&L because yeah, I know. So we're not funded yet. NQ, of course. Win, loss, break even. Okay, entry. On my entry, we had a. What did we have? A 2 minute? Was it a 2 minute? We only entered off of 1 minute. I thought it was a 2 minute. Oh. Oh, you live in your warehouse. Of course you were, bro. My brother was like, yo, I was so drunk. I was like, of course you were, homie. Yeah. Tough song, bro. So we entered off of a 1 minute inverse. I really don't want to put my break even, only because it's just a break even. So in any case, I have it here. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in the description of my other. Say like I won break even on the first trade, because I do have the image here. So in any case, I'll see it. Okay, cool. I know what I'm gonna do. I know. Okay, so the second one. Let's go for the second one. Second one was a 118. Poor dog, he was stuck upstairs, bro. I thought the doors were open. What's good, buddy? Hey. Y'all want to see him, bro? Let us see, bud. Hello, bud. Allô? Allô, mon chien, comment tu vas? Je viens ici. Hop. Hop, viens ici. Oui. Mon chien, allô? Allô. Allô. Oui, t'es un bon chien. Oui. Allô, j'ai dit, allô. Allô, bud. Hop, viens ici. Hop. Oui, bon chien, hop. Little fucker, bro. It's a good dog, bro. It's a good dog. Let's. Good dog. Look, Papa made a good trade, bro. You see that? No, you don't really understand, huh? Papa's gonna make you rich, boy. You're gonna be rich, boy. Boy, t'es un bon chien. Allô, Shady. Sorry about that. Okay, so 118 NQ. So that one we hit TP. That one was a win. 1 minute inverse, yeah. I think it was pretty much PDI as well. Yeah. No continuation. Time of entry 9:39. Draw of liquidity. It was I could do engineered. Failure swing because we failed to no. I would say engineered. Oh, I think somebody might be responding to my trades. Yes, maybe I make, but I'm only taking infinite secret one. Bro, you didn't see the 2-minute cooked. Hell no. Ha! If it reverse, nope. I would not take anything else. I think the move already happened, personally. But engineered, yeah. Okay, let's just put engineered because well, we targeted lower since we targeted swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, engineer because of the lower sensitivity here. Yep, that's good. Rating, I would say. I mean, all of the confluences are here. We rebalance EQ of the 1 hour that we were respecting and that we accumulated down. We created SMT with ES, 1 minute inverse, targeting PDI. Respected the trend as well. I would put it A, maybe an A trade. Maybe A or B. Let's put A or B plus. Oh, just B plus. B plus, I think it's gonna be fine. No, fuck it, bro. Let's put A, bro. I think it was a pretty good one. One straight to TP, bro. Plus we catch the distribution phase even on ES, so pretty fucking clean. What's it? Yeah, 5 minutes horse still dumping. Let's put A. Choose a file. Wednesday. No. Nope. I want March 2026, Tuesday the 3rd. 1 minute here. There we go. Add another file. Choose a file. 5 minute here. Here we go. Perfect. And then the high time frame. Let's just put choose a file. 1 hour, here we go. Add a file image, choose a file. Fuck, 15. Forgot to do my 15. Nah, no biggie. And add another file. Here we go. 4 hour. Here we go. Bang. Bankeroli. Yeah, okay. Put it perfect. The date. Guard today's. Date Tuesday. Psych. Calm. Now for the why. Okay. Let me pull up what I like to do since I started like to wrote it on the side, but I'm not really good with being like really precise with my analyze. What I do is that I all of my storyline of my thought process I write it on the side just like I did all session. Then with all my pictures I put it inside of ChatGPT. I set up a project and an agent so he thinks like in a specific way for a specific project, which is my trading. Okay, so then I drop all of the pictures. I drop my thought process, what I saw, and then afterwards I asked ChatGPT to put it in a proper way, so it's more clean, and then afterwards like from what I can what he can propose that I need to work on, even though I already know what I need to work on, which is to be more precise in that case, be more precise and give more importance to time. because, like I said, I enter at 9:39, which I should have entered at 9:40, because it just brings my chances higher to get stopped out, uh, because of the new 5 minute that is forming, or the new 15 if we're talking about that 9:45, right? So yeah, let me pull up that buckaroo. Bang, bang. Okay, my projects are here. I was like, where the fuck are my projects? Tuesday, let's drop Tuesday here. Bang. Oh. See up. Wait. Mets ma mission au propre pour mon journal. Regarde les images en même temps. That's true. Okay, cool. Versus yes, with ES clear, high manipulation, rejection of the 1 hour AQ, 1 minute configuration to distribution. This is properly with the 4 hour narrative. I enter short targeting the lows. Yeah, initial RR was 1.25, just to TP to 1.18. Price delivered to distribution and hit TP. This trade fully respected high time for buyers, liquidity engineering. Engineering and proper confirmation, model based execution. Watch out, improve intra precision 940 10. I know was slightly early. Be strict to a high time frame before taking the trade. Overall, BE one winner. Bias correct. Execution improves the second trade. Control. I'll show you guys the result after. I'll just read it out loud. Just to for myself as well, I read it out loud. So here I have it. Bang. Okay, so the higher time frame was clearly bearish, with the 4-hour leg displacing aggressively and leaving a premium imbalance around EQ untapped, which was the 4 and 2 hour that I was looking for. at first. Then we had swept prior 1 hour internal liquidity and taken London lows before New York opened, but downside targets were not immediately obvious nearby. Intraday price ranged between a bearish 15-minute imbalance and a bullish 5-minute, eventually inverting a 15-minute, manipulating into EQ of the 1 hour FVG. My first trade went break even as it lacked full high time frame alignment, which is true, and clear liquidity resting below my stop, which is also true. The second setup was cleaner, inverse SMT at the highs with ES, clear high manipulation, rejection at 1 hour EQ, and a 1 minute confirmation into distribution. I enter shorts targeting lows adjusted TP conservatively to nearby equal lows, and price delivered into distribution for full TP. Overall, one break even, one winner, strong high time frame bias alignment on the second trade, and controlled execution. Perfect. Now what I need to work on and to be more careful with high time frame alignment. Is that how we write it? Yo, for real? Fuck, I lost it. No, where is it? We're here. Okay. ALI. Okay. Here we go. From alignment, and my time of entry, I entered 1 minute too early, which could been the new 5 minutes opening. There we go. Bang. There we go, boys. Fuck yeah. So that is done. So I will post a video on my socials as well. But other than that, boys, that's pretty much it for me. I'll hit the gym and I'll do some other stuff. But have a great day. Either way, have a great fucking day. Hope maybe you learned something from my errors as well. Maybe you learned something from my wins. I'm not perfect yet. But we're getting better and better every single day. I can strongly see the how far I came. So I'm pretty proud of that. Even my psyche is really calm, so I'm not really stressed about my trading no more. So yeah, have a good day, boys. As usual, stay humble and do whatever you gotta do to make your day as productive and as good as it can be. That was GOLADZz. So thank you for watching, bro, and have